Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my first bullet journal video. Here's a notebook that I bought at Michael's, and if you see, it already has some, integrated sheets that you could do to-do list and just all these little different calendars and notes. I was going to use it. I was like, great, this is good to kind of get me started, but at first I was like, no. And it has also the other half that is completely blank. And so after I watched 1,000 videos on YouTube, I decided that no, I want to completely start from scratch, and I didn't want to get rid of this notebook or kind of just, not use it. And so I just want to start it and disregard the ones that were used and start it at the middle of the book, I guess. Here we're starting with the, you would say, the page, intro page, and pen text. So I kind of go little by little and try on some pens. I bought so many pens for this. It's crazy. I never thought I would be buying markers and pens and doing all this, but I did, and it was funny that I would be swatching pens and markers in my hand instead of makeup. Something that's definitely new, but we're rolling with it. And so this sheet, I guess it's like the intro. It's the cover page for 2020. You'll see my theme kind of coming out. It's for the roaring 20s, because baby, we're back on the 20s. So I was so excited to do this Art Deco looking design, and so honestly this is probably one of my favorite sheets, and it's the first one, and I love the way it came out. So simple but yet so nice. Honestly, I really loved it. This next sheet is the future log. Is where we put all the months at glance. So in these 2 pages, I am doing all of January through December, and I'm leaving some space under them just to write in important dates. Mostly, honestly, all of it was completely covered on birthdays just from my immediate family. I have way too many nieces, and so all of their birthdays were there, and any special events, like when I don't work. And so I just have a calendar here to make sure that I don't make any mistakes. It's funny because I almost made a mistake and I wrote, I believe it was June instead of March, and thankfully those 2 months started on the same day of the week, and so I only had to add a 31st. So it was a good mistake. Now moving on to books to read. So I'm really excited for this because once again, I'm going to try my best and my hardest to read more books. I'm already reading one, which is the 4 Agreements, and I've been wanting to read this book since last year, so hopefully I get through it. It was actually really fun. I thought it was going to be a big book, but no, it's great. So that'll be definitely the first book that's going to be added to this. You see the little plans, I actually ended up removing them just because I kind of wanted to stick a little bit with my Art Deco theme, and so I just felt like I didn't really go with it, and I decided to just take that space and I will add a little bit more books and see if I hopefully fill it out. It has 16 books, I believe, so that is a huge amount, I'll say, because I don't really read much, but hopefully this makes me read a little bit more. is a final look for that. And on next one, this is going to be literally completely plain. It just has those borders to go with the theme. So my goal on this one is to fill it out with Polaroid pictures, but I need to get a Polaroid printer zip, which has been sold out everywhere. And the next one, I've honestly, from the 1,000 videos I've seen, I've not seen one video who has that. There's actually one that had kind of an idea, but not exactly the same, which is my vision board. And oh my god, am I in love with this. I love it being able to just kind of prepare my day, prepare my week, and be able to just go in and look at it and remind myself of my goals for this year and what I really want. And I love it. I am honestly in love with this. I could look at it every single day. So I decided to just in the middle just write vision board with lettering, obviously with the theme, and I love the way it looks. After I erased very fast, I took some of these papers that I actually found in the garage and I printed out pictures. A lot of these pictures are just online, Pinterest, that kind of went with the color contrast that I was looking for and things that I wanted to achieve, obviously, for my vision. And I just cut them out to the size that I wanted. This one is definitely a big one. I'm trying to shoot for 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and that definitely means I need to be more active and actually post. I feel like I'm getting a little bit better, but no, we're getting there. And talking about that, I actually never say this in my videos, but I think I'm going to start. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you really, really like this, and if you want to show some love as well. So here it is, all these beautiful little pictures. I just kind of moved them around to see how I like them, what looked best for me, and then I went ahead and taped them to the vision board.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's play, pouring through the flame all day.
Before we forget, we gotta make a key. So I went back to the cover page and I decided to add a key page. And so this would be to use on my, I guess, weekly spreadsheets, which will be coming soon. I honestly love how that design went gold. Oh my god, that pen that I bought, it bleeds so much ink at once, which makes it so I make so many mistakes, but I love the way it looks. And so here you can see a few of them: task completed, and task migrated, birthdays, and all that stuff. It's kind of hard for me because I feel like I just do any dots or lines or whatever I want as a keynote, but I kind of want to stay consistent. So that's why I did a keynote and just making some fixes and cleans there. for the last part. I'll say the fast part. The last part. This is, I believe, is called a grid page. And so I did it all the way in the back of the notebook. It's, I think, behind the pen test. And so pretty much what it is counting every single little dot that I have. So then it'll, I zoomed in. I did not even know I did that. So I put it all, I counted all the dots and I divided into halves, thirds, and fourths. So like that I could just kind of go ahead and refer back to it. I did see a lot of videos that were doing bullet journal, use this, and it's actually been quite helpful when I've been doing my weekly spreadsheets, and it's kind of like, okay, how many do I need for half? Okay, 14. So instead of counting everything and dividing it, I just count 14, and it's a lot easier. So let's see if it actually works out. But I've definitely used it a few times now, so I think it's a pretty good idea. So here it is. Here's the final setup, page by page. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that it is interesting and that it helps for many of you guys. If you've ever thought of doing bullet journaling, I will keep you guys posted and see how I like it. And again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.